1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elle Mayandia. Thank you so much for clicking this video. And in this video, we will be doing something different, something na hindi ko pa nagagawa. We will be doing an unboxing video. Siguro kayo ba't ko ito ginagawa? Kasi most of the time, ang ina-upload ko lang dito sa vlog ko yung mga beauty-related stuff and also yung mga vlog. But recently, I've been watching yung mga unboxing video. I really find it entertaining and satisfying. Parang feeling ko ako yung bumili ng product or ako yung nag-unbox ng product. Ang fun lang niya panoodin. So, sabi ko, why not film one? So, ang i-unbox natin ngayon ay itong Fujifilm Instax Liplay. To be honest, na-unbox ko na siya kanina. This is not my first time seeing the product or opening the product because I ordered this online and I really need to check right away kung meron bang lamat yung loob or kompleto ba siya or nag-work siya kasi, you know, ang daming scam sa online. Mamaya bato na pala yung na-receive ko. Hindi ko pa alam. So, yun. Tsaka, lowbat kasi siya. You really need to charge it bago mo siya magamit. So, na-charge ko na siya and everything. Na-check ko na din kung kompleto yung laman niya. Complete naman, guys, and it's really working fine. Anyway, let's start. Ito yung packaging niya, guys. Kung ano yung color ng packaging, yun din yung color ng camera mo. So, I got it in the color Stone White. They have different variations, like 5 ata. Stone White, itong akin. And then, they have Elegant Black, Beige Gold, which is yung limited edition nila. Very nice din yung color. And then, Blush Gold, tapos may gray sila. Ang first choice ko is yung Elegant Black, pero out of stock yun. So, itong Stone White na lang. And I think it's a good choice din kasi never naman nag-go out of style yung white. If you want something na very safe, very classic, you go with white. Ito yung box niya, guys. Very simple lang. Shopee. Nakalagay lang dito, Instax Liplay, Fujifilm. Tapos ito may texture siya, parang naka-emboss. And then this part, nakalagay, ito daw yung actual size. Yung lalagay mong film, ito yung size niya. And then dito sa part na to, dito yung mga features niya. Isasabihin ko sa inyo isa-isa. First is yung LCD screen. Meron na siyang screen, unlike sa mga old Instax. But dati wala tayong choice. Kapag nag-capture ka, you have no choice. Kahit pangit yung capture mo, mapiprint na siya agad-agad. So, minsan sayang yung film. Unless na lang kung pro ka talaga when it comes to yung mga ganitong camera. Pero ako, most of the time, yung sa old Instax ko, talagang tsambahan or pasortihan na lang kung maganda yung... So, ito, you have a choice kung i-delete mo ba or i-print mo. Check mo muna bago mo i-print. And then, nakalagay is direct print. You can connect this to your phone, which is something that we really like. Kasi dapat talaga ang bibilin ko is yung printer. Kaso konti na lang yung idadagdag mo. Kaya ito na lang yung pinili ko. May printer, may camera na 2-in-1 na siya ganun. And then, next, it has a sound. Ito yung pinaka-cool na feature niya. Parang, meron kang pipindutin dito sa camera na magre-record yung voice mo, voice recorder, kung ano man gusto mong i-record. Nagkakaroon ng QR code yung picture. No, just like yung ginagawa natin kapag nagmamall tayo, diba? May mga QR code. Itatapon mo yung phone mo sa QR code, may lalabas na link, you're gonna click it, and then once you click it, madadirect ka sa Instax na website, tapos ipi-play mo na dun yung nirecord mong video, which is really cool and nice. Very unique yun, yung naisip nila dito. Then, it has image frames and filter. Ka-install na dito na frames, tapos meron na ding mga filters. Remote shooting, using yung application nila, parang sa Canon actually, pag kinonect mo yung Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi yung phone mo or Bluetooth to Bluetooth, I'm not sure. Tapos, pwede mo na itong gamitin pang-capture. Or so, pag mag-isa ka, diba, malungkot yung buhay, magpipicture ka, wala kang taga-picture, pwede mong gamitin yung phone mo, and then also, kunwari, mag-delete ka ng jowa mo, tapos kayong dalawa lang. Instead of having someone to take your pictures, pwede ka nang magsariling sikap. And then, it has a shortcut, yung 1, 2, 3 button, which is something I'm not really sure about, so hindi ko na elaborate yon. Now, let's open this up. Ito lang siya, guys. Open dito. So, yan. When you open it up, andito yung pinaka... Ano ba? Ang hirap, sis. Andito yung tali ng camera, yung ilalagay mo doon para magiging wristlet or something. And then, andito din yung charger. Kasamang adapter. So, gagamitin mo yung sa phone mo, pwede siya dito. I-connect mo lang yan dito. Wait, let me open. Yan siya. Parang USB, i-connect mo lang siya sa charger ng phone mo. Pwede na siyang gamitin. And then, andito lang yung mga kalagay dito yung ida-download mo na application. Tapos, contact information, and then yung manual or yung guide kung paano siya gamitin, and yung mga buttons and all that. Then, open mo ulit to, guys. Andito na yung camera. Tada! Naka-bubble wrap din siya. Yan. Very secured. Tapos, when you open it, tapos, yan. Parang splattered, eme. Very nice in color. Cool white, and then silver lang yung mga ganito niya. Sa part na to, ito na yung screen. So nice. Ang ganda niya, promise. Ganito siya kalaki, oh. Parang isang hand mo. Tapos magaang lang din is something that you can carry around sa bag mo. Yun nga lang, medyo bulky. Pero, compare naman sa ibang Instax, medyo mas manipis na to ng konti. Ito yung pinaka-shutter button niya. Ito yung selfie mirror. Selfie mirror ba tawag dyan? And then yung flash, tas of course yung lens. Ito yung video recorder na sinasabi ko. Sa side, ito yung 1, 2, 3. Kunwari may favorite ka na frames, ito yung shortcut niya para hindi ka na maghagilap sa mismong screen. And then, andito yung power button niya, guys. Tas ito yung speaker. Dito yung sa may charger. And then, ito pala yung SD card. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng SD card kasi nga, di ba, pwede ka mag-store ng pictures dito. Like, kung ayaw mo pa siyang i-print, nag-iisip ka pa, pwede mo pa siyang ma-store dito. Next, ito yung isa-swipe mo pa gilid para mag-open to sa film. Tapos, ito na yung screen niya, guys. Open na natin. Yung menu button, back button, playback button, and then yung print button. Super nice. Tapos yan, nakalagay lang Fujifilm. Buttons, guys. Pag kininik mo yung upper button, yan, yung mga frames. I'm not sure kung gagamitin ko to kasi hindi naman ako mahilig mag-frames. Itong side naman, andito yung flash, auto, force, or suppress flash. And then, sa kabilang side, andito yung timer. Kung loner ka, wala kang jowa, wala kang kadate, ito guys, sariling sikap tayo. That's okay. And then, itong down button, meron siyang filters. No filter, stylish, vivid, fish eye. Ito yung super cute. Kasi, ayan o. Hey, diba? Super nice. And then, poster, black and white, sepia. Yan. Sample picture lang. Ito yun. Click. Dito mo siya makikita. Pag inano mo yan, iba-iba yan. Kung ano yung pictures. Kanina trinay ko na siya. So, dito tayo. And then, same lang din. Yung mga buttons, like yung kanina, kung gusto mo may frames, may filter. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng record. Start recording. Records up to 10 seconds of sound to shot images. Confirm mo lang. Then, hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So, yun. So, di ba nag-record ka na? Pwede mo siyang i-erase or i-overwrite mo yung ni-record mo kung ayaw mo yun. Pwedeng i-rotate. And then, itong print setting. Ito yung QR code. You can change the colors. Pwedeng black, red, yellow. Is this yellow or gold? And then, itong green, blue, and then purple. Stick tayo sa black. So, play natin, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. For my final verdict dito sa camera na to, I think it's really worth it. Alam niyo kung bakit ko siya binili? Kasi nung birthday ng mama ko, naghahanap ako ng pictures namin, and then yung mga pictures namin nasa old phone ko, guys. Nasa old phone, so yung phone ko na yon, hindi na siya nag-o-open kasi na-stock up siya. Like, ang tagal kong hindi ginamit. So, sabi ko, hala, wala na akong pictures. And then, punta ako sa kwarto, naghanap ako ng mga photo albums. Yun doon ako nakahanap ng mga old pictures namin. Kasi yung mama ko, mahilig din siya mag-pictures like me. And, ang pinagkaiba lang namin, masipag siya mag-print. Before, meron kaming printer na maliit lang for the camera. Siyang Instax. Mahilig talaga siya yung mag-keep ng mga pictures. I even have yung mga photo albums na meron ng, yun yung pa-scrapbook na may nakalagay yung mga, eto yung kung saan kami napunta, kung kailan yon, something like that. Very sentimental yung mom ko. So, sabi ko, oh nga no, kapag nasira yung phone natin, then wala na agad yung memories, wala na yung photos. And then, kapag nilagay mo sa hard drive, to be honest, diba, nakakatamad talaga maghalungkad ng hard drive kung titignan mo yung mga old files mo. It's really important, lalo na kapag katulad kita na sentimental, yung mga gusto naglo-look back sa mga memories, I think it's really worth it na bumili ka ng ganito. And also, kung bibili ka ng printer, mag-upgrade ka na lang. Ito yung 2-in-1. Meron ka ng camera, meron ka pang printer. So, I really think it's worth it. Yan, very nice. And it's very handy. And magaang siya. You can shoot this sa bag mo. So, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Take care, everybody!